Today is Sunday. Back over at the man's house. He's already hard at work. Did you get it fixed up? Julian's setting up to bore these guys out so they can be rethreaded from M8 to M10. So Julian's garage operates a little different than Ken's garage. This is not a benchtop drill press. This is Julian's subframe. And he's having to do a bunch of pain in the ass stuff for Ken's subframe because he beefed up all of the parts. Those holes right there are now M10, so he had to make some collars just to fit those parts onto the fixture. Poor guy. What technology are you using?
Cola can.
Nice. The shimmed bolt. Look at that.
I'm gonna put you to work again.
You betcha. It's gonna come together here, I think. I just went to go get us some lunch. And the master welder, master fabricator. How's it going?
We're starting to put together a subframe.
It's looking like something really cool.
It's gonna be.
I'm just checking to make sure you're doing it right.
Yeah, does that look right?
That looks perfect. That's how I would have done it. It doesn't work at all.
Oh.
But this guy's been over here slaving away.
Yeah, say hey, frame maker.
Hey, frame maker, on this amazing thing that he put together today for me. Okay, I'll take a flash photo. Here's part of your payment. I owe you 100 hamburgers, Julian, for doing what you've done. You're amazing.
That'll work.
I appreciate it. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm back home again. Look at what this magician did. This is absolutely stunning. It's the coolest metalwork. Still got more work to do because we're still utilizing my wood block shock bracket. This still needs to be configured up in this area. Getting there. Got an Uber delivery of this bike over to Julian's other house so he can design the upper shock mount bracket. Frame maker.
Say hey, frame maker.
You got motorcycles going both directions here in Livermore, don't we?
We do. So we're doing a bracket sandwich.
Yes.
So this is the top bracket.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna have little slots in it just to, because slots look cool.
Oh yes.
And then this fold is gonna get moved back a little bit, so it's not gonna be quite as wide.
Mm-hmm.
And then this bracket goes underneath. So if you look at it from the front, this is where the frame rails are gonna go. So one bracket is on top, the other bracket is kind of on the bottom. So we're grasping, both sides of the frame rail.
Yeah, a lot of strength.
A lot of strength.
Cool. This is using the TZR shock.
This is using the TZR shock.
Uh-huh.
For comparison, I did lay it side by side with the
That one.
R6 shock.
Yep.
The R6 shock, I was kind of surprised. It's about 1.5 inches longer.
Oh my, that's
So
a lot.
it would not have worked.